Everybody hold the attention on the right hand side now. Let's go! And make some noise for the first ever fireworks in the city of Brampton. Hey people, I can't hear you! A little louder now! Happy Diwali! Can we all wish together? With my count 1, 2 and 3. Happy Diwali! One more time. 3, 2, 1. Happy Diwali! It is so beautiful. Our first ever fireworks at City of Brampton in our own house. Hope you guys are enjoying. Beautiful to see the way we celebrated our Diwali with the family, with the fireworks, with all of you. We all are enjoying in the city of Brampton tonight, officially on the Diwali night, first ever Diwali night in the Brampton city. Wow, look at the colors, look at the fireworks. I'm enjoying it. I hope you guys are enjoying it too. Habib, can you turn on the in-house DJ? Habib, on the sound console. Habib, can you play the music DJ on? Put your hands up.